Sup everyone, I'm back with another great product that can make our lives much easier. This 1 kg compound cordless drill helps you drill and screw without much effort. Ronix 8612 with its 12-volt, 1.5 ampere-hour lithium Samsung battery enable you to work long hours non-stop. And even if you run out of battery, that won't be much of a problem because of its fast charging system. Wow! It's light, and considering its lightness and the light right here, you can use it for a hard-to-reach workplace. Feels good, no shock. I think it's because of its soft anti-shock grip. Ronix 8612 has a 10mm 2-sleeves keyless choke that can hold the bit tightly enough so you can work with wood or metal. You have two options, high speed and high power. You can also choose the speed for screwing and drilling. Due to its 18-clutch system, you'll never destroy your fastener. It says it's high resistant. Let's see. I'm sorry. It's still working. Okay, let's do some drilling. First, drilling mode. And it's ready. And it's waterproof. Perfect.